Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan, and if you are new here, we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Medusa's makeup. This is a cruelty and vegan beauty brand. So the first thing that's in the box is a is a lipstick in the color Baroque. This retails for $12, and this is what it looks like right here, and there's a swatch of it. It's kind of like a cranberry purpley pink color. The next thing that is in the box is a dead sea salt and roses facial scrub. This is vegan, cruelty free, and paraben free. This retails for $10. The next thing in the box is glitter in the color Antoinette. This retails for $8. I don't know if you can see it. It's basically a red glitter. And then the last thing that's in the box is the Witch Lash Mascara in the color Twilight. This retails for $12. Okay, let's see here what this color looks like. Oh, that is pretty. You can see there. It's a very bright kind of cobalt blue. So that's interesting. So everything retails up to be $42, which is definitely a good deal considering you're only paying about $15 for the box. So I just kind of wanted to show you what's in there. So if you're interested in finding a cruelty-free vegan beauty company, this is definitely one that you can look at. They tend to have a lot of vibrant colors for their makeup. But I want to thank you for watching. If you've not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be reminded the next time you upload. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, thanks for watching, and you have a great day.